Our application consists of various sub microservices, which includes things such as an AI disease checker, medical report analysis, a stroke risk assessment, a blood bank management system, a hospital finder, and a health record management system that is centralized so as to make sure that there is a central record for all data. Getting into the application, there can be three types of user. One could be the patient itself, which we have is saved as a normal user. Another could be an organization or a hospital or an NGO, anything of that sort. And the third could be an admin that basically has the task to maintain the application. Sign का वो दिखा देते हैं schema. First could be, first service that we have in our application is a disease checker. Here, basically, a person can give their current symptoms, their medical history, and an image of any such document, which could be an X-ray or a CT scan or an MRI. TB detection tool, where we basically use ML models to detect if via X-ray if a person how the percentage chance of a person having TB. So here is an example of an image of an X-ray image having tuberculosis. We have got this image from internet. This is the my report section. These reports will be of the user based on from where we get them. It could be of TB or stroke. This is basically to find the nearest hospital in a certain kilometer of radius, let's say 2, 5, or 10. This is the blood availability in a organization. This is the blood request that a person can make. So let's say they need blood group of A minus and they need 4.5 liter of it, and they can just make a request, and the nearest organization will get its notification. Here we can give a diet plan depending upon a user's diet. So basically, let's say in breakfast they had milk, banana, and apple, and they want to see what carbs or protein or nutrients they were lacking. So this will generate a diet plan for them. So here we see that since it was a great and a nutritionist diet where we got banana, milk, and apple, which pretty much fulfills all the essential iron and proteins, we get this. Here we see all the important information of a user, be it the blood type, weight, or height, or the DOP. So we can extract the age from it. The second type of user in our application is the organization itself. The organization would first have the analytics of basically the inventory status of what blood type they have as of now. This shows in a pie chart as well as a graphical chart. Second would be the stroke detection, where basically it's a process to streamline the flow of stroke detection, where a person can give their necessary details, such as the vitals details as symptoms in the last 24 hours, so as to check whether the patient needs thrombectomy or thrombolysis. The second would be the add blood donation page. This is basically the page where a person goes to an organization such as a hospital or an NGO where they give their where they go as a donor. They give their email, the quantity of blood that they want to donate. The organization ID is the ID, let's say the GST ID or something of that sort of the organization itself, and the blood type is the type of blood that the user is donating, so as to keep a track of inventory. This page is to keep the track of various blood requests that have been made of different blood groups. This is the organization dashboard from where the organization can update their blood inventory. This is the blood donation location page where basically an organization can set tell different location and addresses where they plan to organize a blood donation camp. And this page is the profile of the organization itself.